my name is Sarah and I am here to do a repair attempt on this Allstate insured's roof. This is the shingle that I'm going to be repairing, and yeah, I'm doing it alone, so I'm going to set you up over here, try to get a good angle. Okay, so it's this shingle right here that I'm going to be repairing. You're going to see me put my hand on top of each shingle to ensure that it doesn't come over 90 degrees at all at any point during the repair process. So that's what my hand is doing here, just using my bare hand, no gloves or anything. Okay. Again, using the roof snake only and keeping my hand pressed down on these shingles to make sure that they don't come up at all during the repair. Just using my bare hand. Okay, now that we have those unsealed, we are ready to go. This nail, which is right here, which is holding in this damaged shingle here, has already ripped through this one, so it's gonna be a little difficult to get that one out. I'm gonna have to go under. Nail is still in here. I'm gonna have to get it out after we take the shingle out because it's ripped through that shingle. This one is also ripped through. So I'm gonna have to get that out when we get these out. Nail out. There we go. Alrighty. Looks like we got one hooked up here somewhere. Old shingle is out. Here is our damaged shingle here, as well as the two connecting ones. I'm going to be going back with another 3-tab, but before I start to put this shingle in, I wanted to show you what I can see. So the shingle that I took out was here. These above it were not damaged prior, so you can already see the shingles are becoming damaged just from doing this repair. And like I said, now these two had already, that are chalked up right here, had already been counted for wind damage. But these that are not chalked, let me try to get close up. As you can see, we already have some creasing here showing that it's a failed repair. But I'm gonna go ahead anyways, so that they don't experience any leaking or anything in the meantime while you all review this. Okay, and I'm gonna go back using the roof snake again and using my hammer and get this nail in here. I was using my hammer to pull you guys up. Let's see. There we go. So I want to make sure we can see that. Oh, y'all can't see that. Sorry, I'm trying to get you guys in an angle where you can see me do this. All right, here we are here. Now, get my phone to stay up. Ooh. Okay, I think this is the best I can do at the moment. Our nails are all good. All right. here so that you guys can see. There is the repair here. As you can see, very visible damage from just doing this repair. You can see it across the way here, here, and here. These other two are already damaged here. So I'll get my chalk out and so now this would be a sequence across the entire roof. If you are to continue with the repair here, you're going to see the damage across all slopes, which it's across every single slope. We're gonna see this consequential damage to the roof, which is why it needs to be pushed to a full roof replacement in order to indemnify the insured and bring them back to pre-loss conditions. Thank you.